Hey guys, this is MTP Tech and today we're unboxing Kraken Elite 240 RGB CPU cooler, the crucial T700 Pro Gen 5 NVMe SSD 2TB version, the G.Skill Flare X5 DDR5 6000 memory, 2 sticks on 16 gigabytes, the F240 RGB core, and this is Intel Arc B580. This is going to be a cool little system right now before the main GPU I'm gonna buy, before they gonna say appear at stores, because currently they aren't. You know, they're sold out everywhere. There's not enough in stock, and the China now is Chinese New Year, and nobody is making them right now. The factory's doing nothing. So for 1 month or 2 months or more months, there is nothing. So let's start with the Kraken Elite RGB, because this is the biggest one. And here we go. Beautiful box, the 2024 edition, with a singular fan that goes on here. Amazing. It's fresh from the factory. I was waiting it so long. It was like 2 months, I think. Okay, let's take a look at the back of it. That's pretty much how my system is going to look. On top is going to be the F240 fans and the radiator. Down there it's going to be F240 RGB core. What do we have here? We have a breakout cable, connection for everything. Then we have installation accessories. Then we have the RGB core fan. And then we have Kraken Elite 240 AIO liquid cooler in the box. AM5, AM4. Good. Let's dig into this. And voila! The presentation is quite good, I should say. Yeah, the presentation is quite good. What we have here, I guess the setup guide. Okay, that's the breakaway cable. Yes, we have this big cable that goes inside of the radiator, I guess. We have this 8-pin, and we have this SATA power. We definitely gonna need this. Oh, I thought it's going to be easier, but nope. It's not gonna be as easy as I thought. What else? What else do we have? Okay, that's the pump itself. That's the accessories. And let's take a look at the, what is the AMD kit, Intel kit, other mounting accessories. This is the radiator inside of the box. The fan connector. Yeah, that's it. We need to take off these brackets. We install it first here. Okay. On the top left corner. Nice. Next step. Okay, so that is screwed in. Let's get it to this side here. Now, let's open this fan. Oh, with the 8-pin connector, we have one 8-pin to Evo connector, and we have screws. And why it is, oh, this. and the left got in. Now for the SSD, let's use my handy dandy blue diamond tool. T700 today. And for the RAM, we have G.Skill Flare X5s. DDR5. Okay. Okay, RAM's got in. So what's left is the GPU. After that, we're gonna try to turn on the system. And for this occasion, we have Asrock Challenger Intel Arc B580. What do we have here? Thank you for choosing Asrock's Intel Arc graphic cards. Some startup, quick installation guide, and the card itself. What else in the back? Pretty much nothing else in the back. Take out the protective film from the card. Intel Arc. Okay, got into the place correct. Nice. Let's try to... Oh Lord, take a look. Everything works as it should. Wow. So that was pretty much the unboxing of fans, cooler with the screen, and Intel Arc B580 together with the G.Skill RAM and the PCI Express 5.0 SSD NVMe SSD. So press like on this video, comment if you have any questions about this build, if you need any advices, or if you can advise me otherwise. Write them in the comment section, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.